how to trade a stock descending triangle like a pro. How to trade a stock descending triangle like a pro. We are a monthly chart of Alir Incorporation. I hope my pronunciation is correct. The epic is Alpha Lima Romeo ALR. This is a Russell 1000 component. All right. On this chart, we see a descending triangle. As you can see, the price was forming a lower high, lower high, lower high, but equal low. This is a descending triangle. Generally speaking, or theoretically speaking, the descending triangle is a bearish, a triangle, all right? But the mistake that traders are making is that whenever they see a descending triangle, you see here the price was forming, see this high here, and then we have a lower high, another a lower high, and then here we have another lower high here. But the price at the same time was forming equal low, all right? On average, okay? On average, we have equal low, but the price was forming lower high. Now, this is indicating to us that the bearish momentum is increasing. But after this lower high, the price, so according to the definition of a bearish progression, if the price form a lower high, it must display a lower low. So look at this one here. We have a high and a lower high. But look what the price did. The price did not form a lower low in comparison. You see this low here is not a lower low in comparison to this one here. So this is telling us that the bearish momentum is not very strong at this point in time. So a high and a lower high, but the price failed to form a lower low. This is in fact a bullish trading setup here. You need to take advantage of that here. I will be ready to buy this stock here because the price starts changing direction after forming a lower high. It failed to form a lower low. This is a bullish trading setup. So normally after a lower high, the price should form a lower low. But talking about the descending triangle, the minimum is that the price will display equal low, which means this low here should come down here to form equal low. Now, as the price forms another lower high, this time you can see that it formed a lower low in comparison. This low is a lower low in comparison to this one here. So now we will say that, the bearish momentum is now increasing. Here it is again, we have a lower high, and for a normal descending triangle, we'll expect equal low, which is right here, Generally speaking, traders will assume that there will be a breakdown, and they will measure the height of the triangle. You see the triangle that I draw on my chart. They will measure the height. This is the height of that triangle, and they will project it down, expecting the price to go down, to break down below, and to go all the way down here. You cannot see on my chart. If I switch to the yearly chart, hopefully you can see it. So they will expect the price to go down, as much as the height of that triangle. Are you with me? So if it breaks below, this line here, we will project the height of that triangle to the downside. But what I say to traders, in order to avoid trading mistakes, one should consider, the triangle chart pattern, as anything is possible, whether it's a bearish triangle or a bullish triangle. Do not assume that the price will definitely go up or go down, but just think that anything is possible and apply a top-down trading method. Here it is, though we have a descending triangle, which is a bearish triangle, the price in fact found a support here and came out of the triangle. So now we see now it's becoming bullish. So if the price breaks out of the triangle, it breaks above the triangle, we will project again the height of that descending triangle at the breakout point right here. So we will set initial bullish target right here. Okay, that will be our initial target. So as we see breakout here and we start trading it, we will say there is a high chance that this stock can go up all the way to the level of 7339. But what I say to trader, whenever you set the initial target, you must also set the midpoint target. The midpoint target is somewhere here. Am I right? So this is the initial target. You divide it into two. So the midpoint target is the level that I'm going to color now into orange. So here it is. So as there is a breakout here, prices are going up. All right. You are a day trader. You are a swing trader. You need to understand this. You are a position trader. You need to understand this thing carefully. At the breakout point, we project the height of that triangle. Okay. Here it is. Initial target 7339. Midpoint target 5107. So we draw these two price level on our chart as soon as this candle is closed. All right. Then we will implement a top-down trading method to swing trade all the way to the midpoint target, where we will be prepared to take our first profit or to secure our first gain. You see here, as the price reaches the midpoint of this initial target at 5107, you see that the price found a resistance. So all traders came out. So the price formed now a higher low above a bearish triangle. I need to remind traders that a higher low above a bearish triangle is a high probability trading setup. You can see that the professional trader understood this. As the price pulled back like this, the price gap up, you see here, from the level of, from the level of 3677, the price gap up all the way to the level of $55, because a higher low above a bearish triangle or a higher low above a descending triangle is a high probability trading setup. Once again, this is a bullish trading setup. We will implement a top-down trading method. So price gap up all the way to the midpoint again, and traders do not want to buy it. So if it goes above the midpoint target, here again you will try to implement a top-down trading method if you want to buy it. Here there was no signal to buy it. Instead, we have a sell signal at this resistance zone of 5312, and the price came back down. You see now? This is about, okay, how to trade stock descending triangle like a pro. I will be recording more video to clarify how trader can trade, okay, stock a triangle like a pro in the near future. If you have any question, put in the comment section. Any suggestion, okay, put in the comment section, and in due course I will record another video to answer your specific question. This is how we build our channel. Trader ask question, trader put comment, and we take that into consideration, and we will record another video to clarify, okay, the view or the feedback that traders are giving us, okay. We are the GSTW24 traders, talking about how to trade stock descending triangle like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and I speak to you soon.